Hi! In front of me is tablet NAVITEL T787 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down just a bit to access sound. Following that, scroll down again and tap on Vibrate for calls. Then click on the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to click on it and tap on the back button. Then scroll all the way down and click on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and touch vibration to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!